Uh, as a seasoned gamer, I've always been fascinated by characters that excel in close quarters combat. And Shiv is one such character in the game, Supervive, that I just can't get enough of turning the role. Uh, her agility and speed are unmatched, making her an absolute joy to play. Shiv is a character that excels in intense, disorderly battles, nimbly evading adversaries and inflicting substantial damage while remaining elusive. Uh, Mastering her skills enables you to execute potent attacks that swiftly uh, eradicate enemies and alter the course of a conflict. Um, However, if your aim falters or timing lags, you may find yourself unexpectedly vulnerable, highlighting the need for proficiency and practice to maximize your potential influence. To fully exploit Shiv's abilities, players require both impeccable timing and um, proficiency. Um, it's essential to select items that enhance movement speed and damage, uh, as this will significantly boost Shiv's attack potential in close quarter battles. Uh, in the game Supervive, Shiv's strategy revolves around amplifying her speedy attack power and agility. Her skills, notably Quick Flip and Arc Slinger, play a crucial role in victory. And therefore, it is advisable to give priority to enhancing Quick Flip initially. This upgrade will shorten its recharge time, which is vital for her continuous movement and effective attacks. After using Quick Flip, consider honing your skills with Chain Bolus instead. Um, Although it doesn't possess the same continual movement power as Quick Flip, Chain Bolas is Shiv's primary method for engaging in combat. As you level up Chain Bolas, its range expands, making it simpler to strike opponents initially, causing a stun, a ground effect that initiates her combo. Um, Shid's game strategy emphasizes boosting her movement speed and instant damage output during battles in the game Supervive. Crucial elements of her setup include Swift Blade, derived from Vampiric Blade, and Turbo Booster, which originates from Quick Blade. Swift Blade offers a substantial amount of ability power and possesses a beneficial passive trait. As Shiv moves and attacks, she accumulates charges that unleash a powerful burst of damage, additional speed, and healing, or Soki. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you next time.